Hello there, welcome to PMA sharing video. In today's sharing, I'm going to showcase RMA module, Return Merchandise Authorization under Digital Quality module. The main use case of RMA module is to allow user to retrieve back test history of a bot based on its serial number. Typically, when a product or bot has failed earlier than expected out in the field, the bot is returned to the factory for diagnostics. It is important to identify the root cause of this early failure and to prevent such quality gaps in future. User can input the serial number of the early failure bots into the RMA module here. Test history of this bot will be retrieved and displayed in this table. In this example, we can see that this bot has been tested multiple times. Detail of each run includes the start and end time, which fixture and equipment it has run on, and of course its pass-fail status. Depending on which run is being selected, the corresponding measurement anomaly, limit change, and failure information, if any, will be displayed in the anomaly information section here. User can review this measurement anomaly to investigate if these contribute to the early failure. At the same time, further tracking and investigation can be performed to the other bots which exhibit the similar measurement anomaly. Serial number of these similar anomalies can be downloaded to a CSV file. Under the Limit Change tab, it will highlight any limit change detected during the period when the bot is tested, as unauthorized limit change may pose a potential risk to product quality. The Failure tab will display failure information associated to the bot for that run. This helps users to understand what failures have occurred previously for the bot. This information allows users to perform the root cause analysis on this early failure bot holistically. With this, it comes to the end of today's sharing, and I hope you learn how to make use of RMA module in PMA. Thank you for viewing.